गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल्स। आज हम ट्रेड हेल में सेल्सफोर्स एडमिन बिगिनर में आज हम देखते हैं डिस्कवर यूज केस ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म, जो कि ये इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है। तो डिस्कवर यूज केस क्या होता है तो उसके बारे में देखते हैं। तो लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव आफ्टर द कंप्लीटिंग दिस यूनिट you will be able to describe the sample use case of platform, discover reason for the using the platform across multiple department, high impact, low effort. The platform help you move fast. Part of the speed come from replacing tasks you are the used to doing by hand with the more streamlines process. So let's is pause for the moment to talk about some way to the Salesforce platform can accelerate your the business. When you are learning to build on the platform, the first things you want to the tackle are project. They have big impact but easy to important. Will what sound idealistic idealistic, the platform gives you lots of opportunity to make big changes with the minimal efforts. Let's think about the example for the dream house. Mitchells and her follow the brokers of often use emails to discuss particular properties. Sometimes Mitchells participate in multiple trades, discussing the some property, and that can get the confusing the between all the emails. Details get lots, and when brokers overlooks details, they can miss out of on sale or make the mistake that is the impact bias. So how does the Salesforce platform help issue? Well, for Dreamhouse Reality, angles create custom property object, which we saw in the last unit. Every time you create a custom object, you automatically get the something called charters feeds tracking. Charters feed tracking the provide way to the multiple peoples to comment and collaborate on the particular records, discuss and decisions stored on the records so everyone can stay up to date on important discussions. Now Mitchells and her broker don't have use emails anymore to their discussing about the specific properties. नेक्स्ट जो चार्ट दिया गया है उसमें जो 503 पार्क ड्राइव प्रॉपर्टी का नेम है, तो उसमें चार्ट में रिलेटेड डिटेल्स जो भी डिटेल चाहिए वहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे आप जो भी आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं ऐड कर सकते हो। नेक्स्ट क्या है, बाय क्रिएटिंग द सिंगल कस्टम ऑब्जेक्ट यू कैन टोटली चेंजेस हाउ यू द ऑर्गेनाइज कोलैबोरेट। High impact, low effort. You start the building with of the platform, keep you the eyes out of the process with heavy emails, collaborations, reliance spreadsheet, share the local documents, time incentive, repetitive and manual step. Impact only for 5 department. You want to the minimize the number of the stakeholders with you are the still learning process. The these trail are great the candidate for early object on the Salesforce platforms. Next, other use for the platforms in our dream house story where we are using the Salesforce to help real estate agent sell house better, but you can customize the platform to ads in the lot of so other the business tasks and not just for the sale department. Let us take a look at the couple of other way you can words on the Salesforce. HR can use the platform. Julian, who work in the Dreamhouse HR department, is in crisis. He has 100 of application coming in for the dozens of the jobs opening. Once application are higher, Julian has a set of the training and submit the hardware request. All the activity create the lots of the data and Julian struggling in the manage it all. जो कि यहाँ पे जुलियन है आपको एच आर कैन यूज द प्लेटफॉर्म एच आर जो यूज करता है डिपार्टमेंट सो जो ड्रीम हाउस एच आर डिपार्टमेंट है तो यहाँ पे जो एप्लीकेशन में है तो आपको यहाँ पे जो जॉब ओपनिंग है एप्लीकेशन जो आप हायर कर रहे हो तो वहाँ पे आप ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हो तो वो आपको सब डिटेल्स वहाँ पे सबमिट करना पड़ता है आपको रिक्वेस्ट भेज सकते हो वहाँ पे आप नेक्स्ट angel to the resource using the Salesforce platform and D angels can create a custom app that help Dreamhouse HR the employees streamlines and automated to hiring and onboarding process. Here are the some things the custom app can do. List job opening, store application for each job opening, send automated the reminders to hiring the managers, store orientations and training the plan, manage requirement orders, track employees time off, like any app birds on the platform. The HR app D Angels created is available for the Salesforce mobile app. That way, HR Reap can manage the application. New hire the weather Reap. Reap, uh, Reap are in the office of the requiring fire the cools. Next, IT can use the platform. Over in IT, uh, Regina is also the filling the brown. She is getting the million IT tickets coming is every minutes and every one problem seems to the urgent who could she possibility ask the help you with you help with this torrent of the tickets you guess it's her friendly Netherhoods, Salesforce admin the angels when you the birds you the IT ticketing IT ticket system in the same place as you the CRM you get a lots of benefit all you the users and there the information are already there you can't track the case per users and promote collaboration between IT and employees here are some other way to streamline IT using the Salesforce platform. Create reports and dashboards to the aggregate the analyze the reports. Send confirmation emails when the request are the receive the completed updated. Quick and incoming the request. Create the custom form for the employees request and create the knowledge based on the common issue track employees hardware the instance next you can use the platforms by now you are the properly getting the some ideas for the project for you are the one here are five use case for the different departments for employees who work it finance product and supply chain and apps. So finance, budget management, contract management, pricing, warranty management, production testing, product ideas, innovations, and supply chain management, um, procurement and vendors management and logistic. And ops मध्ये assist and facilities management, measures and the applications and enablement, business agilities. If you are looking for more impression, check out of the some ways Salesforce customer are using the platform in the resource. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक देखते हैं. Understand the Salesforce architectures. Understand Salesforce architectures, learning the object. After the completing the unit, you will be able to define key terms and related to Salesforce architectures, find the information related, trust, explain at least one of the case for the Salesforce API. What is the Salesforce architectures? By now, you know that you can use the Salesforce to deliver highly customized experience to you, the customers, employees, and partners. You can do it without writing much on any codes, and you can do it fast. What so special about the Salesforce? It is all the start with our the architectures. Before you close out these windows in frantic attempt, avoid learning about the what seems like reality boring subject. Sit tight, learning about the Salesforce architectures is a quick, the interesting, and the understanding it make the working with the platform whole lot desires. When you think about the Salesforce architectures, imaging series of the lawyers that sit on top of each other. Sometimes it help on the things of it as a cake because cake is a delicious एंड इट मेक द एवरीथिंग्स बेटर. यहाँ पे एक जो चार्ट दिया गया है, चार्ट में आपको एप्लीकेशन, प्लेटफॉर्म और सेल्सफोर्स, तो एप्लीकेशन में कंसिस्टेंस और पावरफुल फंक्शनलिटी है, और डेटा सर्विस प्लेटफॉर्म में आपको आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एपीआई टूल्स मिल सकते हैं, और सेल्सफोर्स ट्रस्टेड एंड मल्टी टैलेंट क्लाउड है. जैसे कि एप्लीकेशन में सेल्स, सर्विस, मार्केटिंग, प्लेटफॉर्म लाइटनिंग, एरेको, ऐप एक्सचेंज, और सेल्सफोर्स में सीआरएम, डेटा ऑटोमेशंस, एक्सेस मॉडल्स. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, व्हाई ट्रस्ट द क्लाउड्स. एट सेल्सफोर्स ट्रस्ट इज ओवर द top priority. Not only are you keeping the sensitive data in your the org, you are also binding functionality vital to your the company success on your the platform, or the responsibility to the keep your the data and functionality safe in not the something we take the lightly, which is where the also transparency about the our service. Our the trust site, the trust salesforce.com is a vital resource. You can use it to view the performance data and get the more informations about the how we source your the data. It's also the always you any plan aid the maintenance we will be performing that is might impact you the access to the Salesforce. Next, sharing the caring in the multi-talent clouds. So far, we have been talking a lot about the house, but reality Salesforce is set up the more like an apartment building. Your the company has it is one space in the clouds, but you have all kinds of the night boards from the moms and was the shop in the multinationals corporations. और जो नेक्स्ट चार्ट दिया गया है, यूर द डेडिकेटेड पेस, आपको पेस मिलता है यहाँ पे, और शेयर द रिसोर्स फॉर द पावर, वाटर एंड बिल्डिंग एंड मेंटेनेंस. आपको जो बिल्डिंग रहता बिल्डिंग मिलती है, तो उस बिल्डिंग में आपको सब सर्विस आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, पावर, वाटर, बिल्डिंग, गार्डन्स, जो एक्टिविटी है, कार पार्किंग्स, ये सब एक्टिविटी यहाँ पे आपको प्रोवाइड की जाती है. तो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, द मैजिक of metadata. To put is simply metadata is data about the data wait for that pretty abstract, right? Uh, when we say data about the, we are really talking about the cell that is hold the content related in the information you want to the collect with the self watching. Let's think about the on object like the property when you the fence and trim house is Salesforce the input and view the data about properties. For the example, property can be the located in the Boston, cost in 5 lakhs and have 3 bedrooms. Now, imaging that is on of the property records, you delete the Boston 5 lakhs and the number of the bedrooms. What are you left with? You are the left with the property object along with the, or it is mp3 feeds like the address feeds, the price feeds and the number of the bedrooms feeds. These feeds are the metadata. Next, all about the that API, ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है ये जो एपीआई के जो रिलेटेड जो दिया गया है इंफॉर्मेशन। तो आपको ये समझना चाहिए कि एपीआई क्या है। द एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्रामिंग इंटरफेस एपीआई अलाउ द डिफरेंट पीस ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर टू कनेक्ट to each other and exchange the information. If that sound kind of the abstract, take the quick up look at the computers you are the working on the right now. You can the properly find out the series part of the virus shape and size that is support different kinds of the connections. These are like the hardware versions of API. You don't have now the how to use, how to the USB part work. All you have to the understand is that when you plug your phone into the USB part, it passes information to your the computers. If they are the similar without the knowing the details, you cannot connect the your the apps with the other apps or the software system. The underlying the technology take care of the specific of how information passes throughout the systems. So what does this how to with Salesforce? यहाँ पे एक जो चार्टर दिया गया है जैसे alias to alias we talk talk about the database. When you the add custom object feeds and platform automatically create the API tools name that is server as access to point between the your the org and the database. Salesforce is that API names to retrieve the metadata and the data you are the looking for. एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है जो चार्ट है, जैसे यहाँ पे ईमेल्स टेम्पलेट दिया गया है तो यहाँ पे आप ईमेल्स कर सकते हो क्लाइंट को। सब्जेक्ट जो टेक्स्ट में यहाँ पे आप जो भी आपको ऐड करना है क्लाइंट की जो कस्टमर को आपको जो भी देना है टाइप करके यहाँ पे दे सकते हैं जो मेल द्वारा। नेक्स्ट क्या है, द कोर of the API power is that all of your the data and metadata is API that enables. This might not the same like big the deals right now. API uses stream like Salesforce hug and about the flexibility. It is lets you move beyond the normal ideas in business software and but you need the creative solution you the company check out of the video. For the example you just how you can it's। सो नेक्स्ट रिसोर्स क्या है इसमें, सेल्सफोर्स ट्रस्ट, सेल्सफोर्स इंस्टेंट, फर्स्ट प्लेटफॉर्म, सेल्सफोर्स डेवलपर्स ब्लॉग्स, विजुअलाइजेशन डेटा इन द माइनक्राफ्ट। तो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं अगले टॉपिक में अगली वीडियो में। अगर मेरे चैनल को आपने लाइक और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। और मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। थैंक यू, टेक केयर, बाय फ्रेंड्स।